Welcome to my tutorial where I'll show you how to paint a stunning watercolor butterfly step by step. Whether you're new to watercolors or just looking for inspiration, this project is perfect for exploring techniques like wet on wet blending and adding shimmering details. We'll start with a sketch of the butterfly. If you'd like to skip this step, I've got you covered. You can download the outline from the link in the description. It's great for practicing this butterfly and others. After sketching, I begin by painting the left wing with a clean layer of water using a size 8 round brush. This sets the stage for a smooth wet-on-wet technique as I add vibrant turquoise blue, evenly spreading it across the wing before moving to the right. I share a complete list of supplies in the description area below. While the paint is still wet, I drop in sap green, letting the colors naturally blend. Keep watching until the end to see all the techniques I used to paint this watercolor butterfly. I'm using Canson watercolor paper here, but you'll see in a later video how Arch's cold pressed paper handles blending even better. The type of watercolor paper truly makes a difference. Once the top wings are dry, I move on to the body, painting it with a black shimmer paint. Then I added a touch of turquoise for dimension. On the bottom wings, I paint 2 yellow circles for a bright contrast. While the paint is still wet, I paint in some turquoise and gently kiss the yellow edges with paint to create a soft bleed effect. Then I let it sit to completely dry. I paint the antennas with the same black metallic watercolor that I used on the body. Next, I use a metallic purple to add a shimmery layer to the wings. First, I lay down clean water. Then add the paint. tilting the paper to let the pigment flow naturally. This technique gives a beautiful blending look to each wing. If you are looking for live watercolor classes online, you can join us every Wednesday for Color Me Calm at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time via Zoom. We dive into live demonstrations and tutorials. I left a link in the description to sign up. Here I'm adding subtle shadows to the top wings for depth. Finally, I tie everything together by adding a shimmer to the bottom wings using the same technique as before. And there you have it, a dazzling watercolor butterfly complete with shimmering details and vibrant colors. I hope you enjoyed painting along with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments section what you'd like to see next. You can find more tutorials and inspiration on Do Tell a Bell on YouTube. And happy painting!